Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in partnership with Ulta Beauty. So a few months ago, you guys probably remember that I posted on my Instagram that I was in LA with Ulta for a photo shoot. It was actually a photo shoot and a video shoot for their fall 2019 campaign. Yeah, I mean, pinch me, I'm not dreaming. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I transition from the summer to fall for my makeup. So you can kind of tell that this is more of a fall inspired makeup look, but it also still gives summer vibes as far as the eye shades that I used. So if you would like to see how to get this makeup look, then just keep on watching. I feel like it's been a long time since I've been sitting right here. I just got back in town. I'm going to throw on some makeup and kind of tell you guys about one of my dreams actually coming true. So for primer, I'm going to use the Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. I'm going to use this today because of course it's that time of year when it's super hot. If you have oily skin, you kind of want to stay matte as possible without looking too dry, and this primer kind of gives you a soft matte. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer, and I'm using it in the shade Latte Macchiato. Just applying this underneath the eye, pretty close. So back in March, I was reached out to from Ulta and literally screamed for 5 minutes. Ulta is one of my favorite stores to shop in, as you would think. And so for the brand that you've been shopping in since you can remember, reaches out to you to ask you to do a campaign, like unreal. And it wouldn't be possible without you guys, because truly if I didn't have you guys to kind of just share my videos, to like my videos, to comment on my videos and photos over on Instagram, if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be able to have these amazing opportunities. So I want to start out by thanking you guys. I'm going to put in kind of behind the scenes of it in this video. So the first day was the photo shoot, and basically we did like a runway style. So this whole campaign is for the fall season, and it was kind of like with the inspiration of Runway Your Way. So it was kind of running on the inspo of Fashion Week and the warm colors that come during the fall season, giving inspiration to feel confident in walking the runway however you want, kind of transitioning into summer to fall makeup, which is what I'm going to be showing you guys today on how I like to transform my makeup from the hot season to the cold season. I had such an amazing time on photo shoot day. Everyone was so amazing. We all felt like so comfortable and confident with the photo shoot because they were just so, I don't know, warming. Like it was just the most warming experience. They wanted it to be very comfortable for us, for it to be very natural and exactly how we would do things. They didn't make us feel like we needed to be anybody else except ourselves. So I really appreciated that. So I kind of skipped today because it was more so prep. So the day before the photo shoot day, we did prep, we did makeup and hair, kind of just running through how we were going to do it on the photo shoot day and on the video shoot day. So it's not just photo, it's also video. So there will be tutorials, and so that was the first day. Then the second day we did the photo shoot, and then the third day we did the video shoot. So for powder, I actually used the CoverGirl loose powder in the shade Translucent Medium, and now I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer pencil. Let me know if you guys want to see like a full vlog of the trip, because I do have the clips, but I'm wondering if you guys just like seeing the mini clips in this video. So I'm not going to clean up my brows just because I don't really feel like I need to make them super perfect. I applied a bit of my foundation on my eyelids, so I'm going to go in and kind of set them with powder. So when I'm transitioning my makeup from summer to fall, I kind of like to keep with the warm bright colors that I like to use in the summertime, and just adding like some deeper purples and sometimes deeper browns, but deep purples on the eyes I really like in the fall time. So I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Sunset Skies eyeshadow palette, and and I'm going to be using only this palette for this entire makeup look. It has a awesome purple down here in the corner, and not only purples, but I also like to incorporate like those deep burgundy reds. So both of those shades are really awesome for transitioning into the fall season without going super dark. So I am going to start with the transition color. I'm going to use this shade at the top. This palette has a mirror, which is super nice. I love when palettes have mirrors. So I'm going to apply this into the upper crease area, and this is just gonna help. You guys have seen me always apply transition colors first. This is going to help all the other shadows blend really seamlessly into each other. So it's almost like a imperative shade to add to your eye look. Always want to start with a transition color, no matter what the color is. I always start with a transition color. So the next shade I'm going to go in with, I'm actually going to go straight into the purple shade down at the bottom, and I'm going to work this in the corner, and I'm going to do more placing than I am blending at this point, just because I want to make sure the shade is covered in the area that I want it, and then we're going to go back in with other shades to help blend the shadow in. Okay, so we have that shade on, and I'm kind of make sure it's even as possible, even though this isn't the finished product, but you just want to make sure that you keep that evenness throughout the entire makeup look so that everything ends up even at the end. So I'm going to go back in with that transition color and just blend the edges of that shadow that we applied so that the edges aren't as harsh and that it blends together really nicely. Oh, these shadows are so nice. You can kind of see I'm really not even having to blend intensely at all. They're just blending. So I'm going to keep with that purple theme, and I'm going to go in with this shade down here at the bottom, and it's almost like a pinkish reddish burgundy shimmer. It's like 3 different shades that I've mixed together, but it kind of gives me that vibe. So I'm going to take it on my finger and apply it all over the lid. Look how pretty that is. It's just going to go all on the empty spot here in the front, and this is a super easy eye look to recreate because I'm literally only going to use 4 shades. And definitely, if it's not your thing to do bold eye looks, you can flop it to where you do kind of nude eyeshadow and you do a bold lip. It gives you those fall vibes. It's kind of whatever you're comfortable with, which is what this entire campaign is about. It's just showcasing your own personality through your makeup and just wearing it your way. So however you like to transition into fall is perfectly fine. So you can flop it, you can wear bold eye, nude lip, or bold eye and bold lip. So many different scenarios on what you can do for this look. You are not confined to one look. So I'm going to take that purple shade and just smudge it a little bit on the outer corner of the eye. I don't really want it too dark on the lower part of my eye, just a little bit to tie in the look. All right, and then for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take a lighter shimmer shade, and I'm going to take this one in the center. It has like a bit of a orange reflect to it, like it's not just straight pink. And I'm going to spray it with a little MAC Fix Plus and apply it to the inner corner. Yep, you can see that it's kind of pulling orange like I was saying. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face before I apply mascara, and I'm going to use that same MAC Fix Plus. So I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeliner to the waterline. Now for this, you can use either a brown or a black liner. I'm going to go in with a black liner, and I'm going to use the Revlon So Fierce Vinyl Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Mystery. And I'm going to apply this in the outer corner first, and then I'm going to check my work to see if I want to apply it all the way in. So I went ahead and also applied a little bit to the lash line, so not just in the waterline. Then we're going to go back in with the purple shade in the palette. Kind of blend at that liner a bit before it dries. I originally said I didn't want it to be super smoky down here, and guess what? It is, but I really like the way it looks, so I'm going with it. So a dark eyeliner in the waterline really helps to transition from summer to fall, because I don't know about you guys, but I actually don't wear a whole lot of black liner in the summertime just because I kind of feel like it makes the look super smoky. So I like to save that for the fall and winter time, just because like before I applied that liner, it kind of still looks like it can go for a summer look, but as soon as I applied that liner, it immediately changed it to a fall look. So I really like that I'm able to do that with just eyeliner in the waterline. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. So this mascara is actually using technology from top hair salons to give lift and volume. So I'm super excited to try out this mascara. It is a super cool packaging. It looks like like a brush for a blowout, hence the lash blowout name of the mascara. So I'm going to be trying this, getting closer so you guys can kind of see the effects of the mascara. This is my first time trying this. It did give a nice lift. Definitely gives a whole lot of volume. I feel like it makes my lashes look super thicker. So this is before and after. I think it's really nice. And mascara, in my opinion, is one of those products that get better over time as the mascara gets older. So if I'm already digging the volume now, I feel like it's going to be so much better as it gets older. So for bronzer, I'm going to go in with the NARS Casino bronzer. This is like, you know, one of those products that everybody knows about. Oh, look at that eye look. It's like perfect for the fall time. If you guys decide to recreate this look, definitely tag me. I would love to like your beautiful photos. I'm just kind of dusting the bronzer all over the skin. So for blush, I kind of use the same colors from summertime to fall time. I'm going to be using a coral blush slash like peach blush that I would use no matter the season. This is the Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur Coral Cloud blush. So then for highlight, I'm going to use one of my favorites, which is the MAC Hyper Real Glow highlight palette, and I literally just run my brush across all three and apply it to the skin because I just can never choose one, right? And then for lip color, I'm going to line my lips with NARS Precision Lip Liner in the shade Spunk, and it's a dark brown lip pencil. And I'm gonna kind of bring this lip pencil in a bit farther than I normally do, just to make the lip a bit deeper. And then for lip color, I'm going to go in with the Flesh liquid lipstick in the shade Sprawl. Now Flesh liquid lipsticks, they have the best colors. This is perfect for fall. Now before you apply these, you want to make sure that you really hydrate your lips and exfoliate. And then after that, I'm just going to spray my face again with MAC Fix Plus, and that's the look. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As always, make sure that you head into your closest Ulta so you can see me inside the store. I'm still in awe on how amazing this experience was and just how lucky and honored I am to have been asked to be a part of the campaign. So make sure you guys head in and check out the photos. Make sure that you also follow Ulta Beauty on social media so that you stay updated on all the new releases for this month and on forward. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.